Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is an all-day winter clean with me. I wanted to get my house nice and cozy while the weather's still cold before we transition into spring, and I thought this would be the final opportunity for me to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and whiz around my house, make it nice and clean, ready for the day, whilst making it super cozy as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So first things first, obviously I'm going to make myself a hot drink, and I'm going for coffee today. It's definitely not an energy booster because I do drink decaf, but it's just so warm and cozy. I absolutely love it. So once that's done, I can then jump straight into the cleaning. And first things first, I needed to strip the bed off so I could get that put in the wash while I do the rest of the house. The timing always works out really well when I do this, so I always make sure that it's the first thing on my to-do list. So before we get too far into it, I'm really excited that today's video is a collaboration with Katrina from Katrina Does It All. She's got so much cleaning motivation as well as home decor and lifestyle videos over on her channel, and I know that you would absolutely love her content. So once you've finished watching this one, do pop over to her channel because she's also got an all-day winter clean waiting for you over there to give you all the cozy vibes and a ton more motivation. Don't forget to let her know that you came from here. Subscribe to her channel because I know that she would love to have you over there, and also go ahead and leave her video a thumbs up. I'm going to have everything you need linked down in the description below.
Hey beauties, my name is Katrina from Katrina Does It All. I am a wife, a mom of two beautiful girls, ages 8 and 2. We are a military family, currently stationed in Fort Benning, Georgia. My husband's name is Joe, and on my channel, you'll get tons of cleaning motivational videos, cooking and shopping hauls such as groceries and home decor. I'm also in the process of redecorating my home. So if you're into that type of content, head over to my channel once you get done watching this beauty's video, and consider subscribing, as well as leaving me a comment in the sections below introducing yourself. I love getting to know my new subscribers. I hope to see you guys over there.
Once I had the bedding in the wash, the next thing on my to-do list is just to crack on with the kitchen. As you can see, it's nice and tidy, and it's not been like this for such a long time, so it was so nice coming downstairs to a tidy kitchen. I've got a little bit of washing up to put away, and then I can jump straight into the cleaning. So I'm going to start with the kitchen sink because that is my favourite thing to do, and I'm using the Cif cream and the white vinegar spray just to make it nice and clean and sparkly. I think it really completes the kitchen when the sink is nice and shiny. So I do this most days just because I enjoy it. Some days I do it when it doesn't even really need doing, but today it definitely did. It had quite a bit of food stuck to it, so I need to go in with my minky, get all that off, and then go back over it with the dry microfiber cloth just to buff it all up and make it nice and shiny. So once that's done, of course, I'm going to go ahead and fill the sink with some hot water and Sephora. I'm using the winter morning scent just because it's so cozy. I think all of the winter scents from Sephora are super cozy and just make the house feel so fresh. So as this is a winter clean, I wanted my house to smell of winter and to smell cozy. If cozy is a fragrance, that's what I want in my house today. So I'm just going to go ahead and give everything a good wipe over, doing all the sides, the cupboards and everything, just to make sure it's all disinfected and nice and fresh for the day. Now everything's nice and fresh, I'm going to go ahead and light a candle and just get it nice and cozy. And I love these hurricane candles because I haven't got to constantly watch it, because obviously it's inside, and I just feel a lot safer with this type of candle. So now I can go ahead and swap the washing over, get that drying, ready to put back on the bed whilst I do the front room. And I just need to whiz round, get everything put back where it belongs and just neaten everything up. So once I had everything tidy, I'm just going to go in and give everything a good dust over, and you're about to see how sneaky my rabbit is. He can literally sneak right up to me and I have no idea he's there, and then he started nipping at my leg to get my attention, but honestly I almost squashed him because I had no idea that he was right next to me. But I'm just going to go ahead and put some of my orange zest in my oil burner because that just smells so beautiful. And I also picked up some more Pledge because I just feel like this is super cozy, and I think it's just my go-to product. I think everyone has their cozy go-to, and the Pledge polish is definitely mine. I use the Fabulosa sometimes because it is more perfumed and it's just really fresh and fragrant, but when I want a nice cozy home I always go for Pledge. And once that's done, I can then go in and give it a good hoover. You know that I love hoovering, and for some reason for me it just makes the room feel bigger and airier, fresher, just it really transforms the room for me. So I do try and do this every single day.
Oh baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises, no. Oh, did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh baby, baby, good at thinking.
So once I had all that done, I then just wanted to go ahead and fill up a spray bottle with some fabric softener and water and just spritz over the sofa, cushions, curtains, literally anything fabric, and it just makes the whole room smell beautiful. So once I've done that, I'm then going to head upstairs and sort out the little bit of laundry that I had. It's literally just a few of my tops that need ironing, so I just wanted to go ahead and get all of this done so I can get the room back ready for my next wash load, and then by the time this is all done, the bedding should be dry and I'll be able to make the bed.
Like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that. Like you're feeling sorry, 'cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that. Like you're feeling sorry. It's your fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your
So once I had that little lot done, it was time to make the bed, and I absolutely love crawling into the bed at the end of the day to a freshly made bed. Like, there is nothing better than having fresh sheets. It just makes the whole room so relaxing. So I'm just going to go ahead now and remake it and get it nice and calm and relaxing, ready for this evening.
shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right.
Don't forget that today's video is a collaboration with Katrina, so do pop over to her channel once you've finished watching this. She's also gone ahead and done a winter all day clean for you guys, so that's waiting over there for you, and I know that she would love for you to stick around by subscribing so you don't miss any of her future uploads. And do also go ahead and let her know down in the comments if you came from here, and if you're here from Katrina's channel, it's really nice to meet you. I hope you do decide to stick around by subscribing to my channel. I post every single day, so there is a ton of motivation here for you, and I would love for you to be a part of it and to become part of my little YouTube family. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments as well if you came from Katrina's channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.